Hi guys, welcome back. An impromptu little video today. As you've probably seen, and I don't know why I point up because when I write it it's above, but I think when I watch it on YouTube it's underneath. As you've seen in the description, I came home from work. I haven't been home long. Just got out of the shower, sweating like a bull, but this was waiting for me. And you see that? Pearl blaze. I have to stop myself from saying the pearl flexi blaze. There's the front. There's the back. We'll take a look at it in a minute. I got it from Shaving Time, and as of right now they are still in stock on Shaving Time. And it says the new Pearl Blazer 3-piece razor made from solid brass and CNC machine precision. The blade gap is 0.74, and just a rider on that, the blade gap of the Executive Outlaw Standard is 0.72. This is 0.74, so it's in that ballpark. It can be therefore categorised as medium aggressive razor. Each razor has a unique serial number, comes in a nice presentation box, 10 DE razor blades, 5 spare washers. You know the plastic washers that you put up? You get 5 of those with it, a cleaning cloth and a 2-year warranty. The razor is 3-layer chrome electro plated and salt spray tested for over 48 hours. So that's the stats on there. Haven't opened it myself. Comes in this beautiful box. Here we go. Let's open it now. And we'll put that. You can only go in and out the bottom now with that. That's a nice touch, isn't it? Thank you. We'll put that down there. Bit of bump. There's your warranty card. That side. And that side. I know there are people who like to see these things. You could pause it and read. There's the cleaning cloth with nice little blue logoed cleaning cloth. And there it is, look. These are they're your 5 plastic washers. And there's the razor. These blades, generic blades, made in India. There'll be Indian blades, 10 of them. This is a pretty decent box, guys. Nice foam in there, and that's cardboard. We put that on there, so we'll get the head out there. We'll try and get this plate out. Oh, no, we'll get that out first. We'll get the... Sorry, guys, I've got fat fingers. There you go. So we'll get that out. It's quite hefty. And we'll get that out there. Right, so it's quite heavy. There you go. There's the head. It's got those slots in it there. It's got like a metallic finish look. This is something I like. Just give it a wipe because of the condensation in here. The base cap has got its unique serial number and branded logo. I actually like that. I like these ladder channels too. We'll put that in those slots there. Fit nicely into those slots there. It fits very well. And that, you could put the O-ring on if you wanted. I don't really tend to bother with them, but I will keep them. Well, there you go. Straight out of the bag, guys. There's no thread on this, look. Well, there you go. So there's something you have to be tricky with. Maybe it's because it's new. There you go. Nipped. Wow. Does it tell you here? It says it's 110 millimeters high, 98 98 millimeter handle height, closed comb, 105 grams. And there it is in the hand. There's my Razor Rock King C Gillette still in the bathroom for comparison. I like it. I like it. It's got like a sanded matte silver finish. I mean, that handle is really nice and it feels really well. Absolutely wonderful. Very, very, very nice. Look at that. Can you see that knurling on there? Very, very grippy. Very nice razor. Brass and CNC machined. So it's like a baby of the era in the carve, isn't it? That's flat. That would stand. Let's see, put it on a flat surface. You can't see, it stands up perfectly and you don't even have to try. There it is, guys. The Pearl Blaze, the new Pearl Blaze. $49.99. If you use code John101, that'll take it down to £45. There you go. That's not bad. What's that, about $65 US for all of that? A good hefty razor. We'll see how it shaves on Saturday. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I look forward to seeing you at the weekend. I'll probably try those blades with it, but if you can think of a soap you'd like to see me use, if 2 or 3 people ask for the same one in the comments of this video, I'll use that soap and we'll get a shave on Saturday and we'll do a review with the shave with it. Look after yourselves and I will see you on Saturday. Bye.